So yes peeps, it's your boy Olifire 777 out here in a Montego Bay in a night. Just to show you what it's like in the night in a Montego Bay or Montego Bay, whichever you want to put it. So out here tonight, I'm going to eat the eat strip and see who can get to talk to and who want to talk to us. Hopefully, so we can get to them girls to talk to. You know them girls and the ladies of the night? Yeah, so wish me luck and hope they really talk to me. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere as we eat this street. As you can see peeps, on the other side are kind of scanty. So just go up and eat strip, we don't stay too late, because you know it's at night. So we're not going to stay too late. And I guess Reggae Sunfest soon start. I don't remember if tomorrow night, which is Sunday night, we're going to start. So you know, Netflix people go up here, so a lot of people got Sunfest. So we just go up and eat strip. Let's see what I go on. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. And if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. On fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. And do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, so stick with me peeps. As we cross the street at night here, you know you go. Jamaica we're there. And the street kind of busy. So far a lot of people heading home. Yeah, a lot of people heading home. So just stick and stay peeps and don't go nowhere as I say. As I'm going to show you how I go on the street, people are hustling at the night. Yeah, and as I say, hopefully I get to talk to at least one or two of them girls there. Because that is the main effort. So if we got to pay for it, we will pay for it. You see it. So we just pass Harmony Beach Park over there. So I know it's a night now, so over there so I'll lock off. But as I say, we're on the it strip. It strip I do it peeps. The stick and stay. So yes peeps, we're still walking. Yeah, towards the it strip. As I say, running out here it's a Saturday night. So as I say, we'll check out what I go on the street. On the it strip as you can see. Hope the people out of them places are jerk. Yeah, people hustling at the night on the it strip. Some people only can come out like this during the night. Because during the day, they are not allowed to do all of the hustling, you know, on the road. So they come out here in the night. Some jerk chicken and stuff like that. As you can see, all the jerk chicken vendor on the side there. Site nearer to the craft market. So over there so you have a small craft market. Yeah. Not the one inside of Montego Bay. Downtown Montego Bay. This one is a smaller one. Well you can see the people over there jerk and thing. As me say. Yeah. So they walk as we can see in the night, show them what go on. Show you what go on the it strip. So stick and stay peeps cause lighting, yeah, don't so kind of lighting not so bright. And see big sign here, Catherine all stay dumb. So it's Thursday, July 19, okay. The Sunfest soon start. Pre-sold. Oh, so it's like $70 US, $8. Okay, and a big show still. I don't have to pay cartel enough money, so I have to charge enough money. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, we are still walking on the it strip. Let me say so. You don't know Jamaica on a weekend, so you're going to hear music play all over the town. Yeah, you're going to hear music play all over peeps. So just know, so this is Montego Bay and this is Jamaica. So if you're in Jamaica, in a Mobay, you have a lot of places to go during the weekend. You know, Jamaica party different. Jamaica parties normally go to daylight. They don't turn off at midnight. Welcome to Jamrock. Yes, peeps, welcome to Jamrock. It's a nice little place here, so. I think I went here, so one time. They have like a restaurant here, so. Yeah, they have like a restaurant here, so I think I go there one time. Yeah. But maybe I know, so that's why lively during the night. Yeah. So if you are in Montego Bay, you have a lot of places to go. And you have about 2 different rooftop. Yeah, upstairs. First floor and second floor, so it's quite a nice place. As I say, where you got people there sell soup. I say what kind of soup that they have. Oh, let people ask. Because one thing with people and selling soup in Jamaica, they're not gonna have my soup. They just gonna have meat. They will only have meat. And one thing with the Eat Strip peeps, there's a whole lot of guest house on the Eat Strip. So if you want shorter place to stay, they have a lot of places to stay. Yeah. So this is the Eat Strip. And peeps, I wouldn't advise any of you to do this as in walking like me, because I'm like that, I'm a Jamaican. And even though I wasn't here for a little while, but you know, nothing change. Yeah. Because a lot of you would walk and you would feel scared, and people already say you look scared, so somebody might try something because you already look scared. But it's quite safe. It is quite safe. Yeah. So anyway, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, okay. So we are right at the old hospital beach. And actually I didn't know that it was so light up. So apparently I don't know if they're gonna keep something there or something keep there already. But that's the stage. I don't know if they're pulling up or what. Yeah. But over there light up. I didn't know it was light up like that. That's it. This is very creative with the sidewalk right here. But then keep sitting over here, sir. I the brother Armo keep something.
We go keep
Tomorrow?
tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Night night?
No, tomorrow idea. Walks.
Oh, okay. Then early morning?
Yeah.
But what time, so?
Early.
Okay. Okay. So they're gonna keep something here early morning, so good. And get up early in bed in the morning and come down here and see what I go on. So good to know that. So yes, peeps, as me say, whole heap place and whole heap things in Mobay to do. And this is our Alexander restaurant and hotel there, so same way as me say, whole heap place to stay in Montego Bay on Eat Strip. So you're right in the area where everything nice, the vibes nice, and thing, you know. Margaritaville there further down the road or so. And sitting, whole heap place on the road as peeps. Yeah. So in Montego Bay they call this Bottom Road. But in Jamaica, you know, they don't say too much there, but no bottom, which is Bottom Road. Boy. So yes, peeps, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to click that subscription button and click the like and leave a comment. Yeah. Leave a comment. I'm open for criticism. Yeah, so I'm on YouTube and afraid of criticism. Yeah, because when you guys tell me stuff, actually, I get better at stuff when I'm hearing from you guys, because you guys are the one watching. So tell me what I like or I don't like. You get me? I say, I wish part of this I know I'm to go, but I don't go yet. Yeah. What kind of videos do I want to see? Yeah. So actually tonight Margaritaville sound quiet, or it's early hours. Maybe it's early hours. Because one thing in Jamaica, when you come on to party, Jamaican parties start late. So you will go to a party like after 11 and no one is there. Scanty. And you will say, oh, this look like, you know, it's not gonna happen, but trust me, you see by the time I reach 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, that's time the party start full up. Jamaicans are crazy. They go sleep and get up and go to the party in, in the middle of the morning, not even the night, I would say the morning. Yeah. So, this is Galtigo Bay people. The street busy, busy. Extremely busy as I can see. Yeah. Street is always busy. Hello. Street is always busy. See a female on the wall out trying to call to her, but she's not so friendly. So nobody say nothing to her. Just say hello and she not answer me. But it's a conversation more and pick with her. So back in the days, big up Cisco and made it Cisco. So over here says Margaritaville peeps, and Margaritaville is kind of quiet tonight. I don't know why. And it's Saturday night. Saturday night they tell me say they normally have party over there, but I don't know. So let me cross the road and go over Coral Cliff. Back in the days I used to have a friend that worked here. A couple of 10 years ago. I used to come here like on weekends and like Friday or Tuesday. Yeah. I would stay until morning. We actually bleach until morning, not like we have any way to sleep really, just bleach until morning. So this is it peeps. Yeah. This is it. You see, girls didn't come out hot, so I guess something will go on over Margaritaville. The peeps, this is Coral Cliff. And this is, you know, always been like this. It's a casino. Yeah, but it's always been like this. This is nice, don't? Always been like this. Yes, are always cool too. Very cool. So just a walk on the road and I see what I go on peeps. And that is Coral Cliff. That is the entrance to go in there. Yeah. I haven't been there in a long time. But majority of the places they don't have want you to go to record inside. You know that's a private place like, so you can't stop. Say nothing about that still. And see like big party over here too. Yeah. Alright. So hear this. So I am not afraid. So yes peeps with the inner. Y'all take a be up on the each strip. As Mr. Peeps, some gift shops still open. Yeah. At this hours and it's still open. Yeah. So just a walk or so I go and peep. As I say early hours now still. For some people this might seem late because a lot of main business places are closed now. But so it's like 9:24 now. But this is early, quite early, because a lot of people don't come out as yet. Even I guess the girls them that work at night, they don't normally come out so early. So more definitely seems like I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll get a trip runner back road, Portmore, to go talk to some of them. I'm just gonna walk a little bit more peeps. And this building here is an apartment building complex like too. Here so they sell ice cream. I guess they open the same here. I'll go on. Yeah, ice cream now. I have ice cream now, don't? Tell me say a smoothie alone you have. Yeah, ice cream. Give me ice cream for $600 or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Eh? Yeah man. Yeah, I may have that. What flavor may I get again? What flavor you have? Strawberry. Sunday. Alright. Alright, give me mango. Eh? Give me the mango. Let me know the face there. Let me know your face. What's the feet? What's the feet? 1,000? Oh, okay. Oh, no problem, no problem. Oh, are you the one in here want to give me more ice cream? Remember your face now. Are you the one in here want to give me more ice cream? I'm going to tell you to give me more. So yes, peeps, we are back on the road. As I say, I'm walking a little bit down the road to see if it's all that not lively. There. So yes, peeps, just walk a little bit more. Oh, I realize the people know me. Oh, so apparently they got a lot of things going on over by people just want to walk this up. How with Jamaica, something you have to avoid people. And when you put the camera, not like I'm walking with my GoPro, because my GoPro don't give me good footage in the night. So as I say, a lot of places to go. I just see like some over here to go. Look like private property still, let me see. This is the East Street beach, so welcome to the East Street. A majority of them vehicles here are actually taxi. Majority of these people are actually taxis. So as I say, this is Jamaica. At the same time, you have to be careful how you point your camera. It's not like I'm walking in my GoPro. This is night, so it's very obvious because I'm using my phone. Yeah, but they look kind of dead. I think I'm going to turn back now, peeps. So yes, peeps, I saw one of the lady after night, but she didn't want to talk to me. Yeah, I even have to pay her, but yeah, she don't want my money. Oh Lord. Yeah. I just meet one of the lady that work at night, which is shouldn't look so attractive neither based on her type of job. You know, normally female will do those kind of work. You know, normally put themselves together. She don't put herself together. She look like she just a start out or something. Get me I say? Yeah. But me do want to talk to her still. But she said no. I even tell her, oh, you don't have to put your face on camera or whatever. But she said no. So no actually mean no, don't? Yes, so if no mean no, I just no. So me just go on business and leave her alone. You see me? Yeah, just leave her alone. And she said no. That is it. Let's. Yeah. She said no, so no mean no. And at times if you don't talk when you have your camera and thing, so hold up your eyes so then you say, you know, I record them, I record myself. You see it? Because some Jamaicans are very funny, you know. But sometimes they will say something based on how you look to. If you look like one little surfers, then they will actually kind of want to attack you, you know. But if you look like in the street, you look like me, they won't bother you. So I must say, peeps, I'm kind of a little bit disappointed. Yeah, I'm disappointed because I didn't get to interview one of the ladies of the night. But the ladies of the night, I guess I don't really see enough of them. But the few that I've seen, they don't look that appealing either. You get me? I say like they're not taking job serious. You might say, what do you mean they're not taking job serious? Normally girl don't look hot. When I pass back road at Portmore and see the girl don't look hot. So definitely need to go to Portmore. Back road. So I can talk a couple of them girly. Yeah. Yeah, but the road kinda not so. I think I'm gonna head back home. Because it's been a very slow night so far. But people are heading to Margaritaville. No, brother. But they are walking, coming in slow. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed based on how it looked tonight. Yeah, really disappointed. It's like I waste my time came out here. But so you go. It's not like I thought it would have been crowded. Yeah, even Margaritaville Saturday night time and say normally go on. So I don't even know what's happening. Why it's like this. And it's Saturday night when the place should be more crowded. Yeah. So I'm a bit disappointed, yes. Because I'm not gonna go in it. I mean they have buildings and stuff where you have party going on and things, but I'm just not gonna go there, so just ain't gonna go there, so but otherwise place not so very working full of people and things, see me too, but yeah, kinda boring peeps. You know peeps, you can't stay. Yes peeps, so as I say I'm a bit disappointed because yeah, they have parties and stuff in buildings and stuff, yeah, but you know, me doing video, I'm not gonna go into any building where there's a lot of copyright music. Because that wouldn't work out well for me, but I thought it would be a lot more people like on the street. Yeah, but I guess not tonight. Yeah, not tonight, yeah. So probably I'll come back another night, I don't know. And see how it stay. But I definitely gonna get up early in the morning. Yeah. And see what's happening down here. So anyway peeps, that's a wrap. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon family. I don't know, it's a boy all fire 777. And we are heading on today. It's trip, you know, it's early morning, early Sunday morning. We're heading on to the It's trip, see what happened out there. And the early morning here, as you can see, sun not even rise up good yet, but we're heading out there. So you know, stuff happening there. I don't know if it's what kind of event they're having really, but you can see police divert traffic from there. So we're gonna see what's happening. We are going to see what's happening, peeps. Let's cross this busy street. Can't be foolish about crossing the street, peeps. So let's see what's popping. What's happening, peeps? And it's trip here. So stick and stay with me. And don't go nowhere. If it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. So we are heading towards the It's trip to see what's going on this morning, peeps. Yeah, no joke, peeps. Yeah, and I say, if it's the first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. On fire, hold the fire. Love what you do and do what you love. You understand? Yes, peeps. So we're in a Montego Bay, and as we say, police them block off the road. So definitely, you know, them have some events up there. So let's go check out what's happening. No vehicular traffic allowed up there. No vehicular traffic allowed up there, please. Police them work. Yeah. So them block off traffic. Apparently, Carman man. And police are telling him it's a road block. Yeah, but the road block. But I don't know why I'm going up there about. He must be going up something. True. Yeah. So yes, peeps, as I say, we are in the history. And we are going to see what I go on the history this morning. Because it seems like, you know, something are going. I was on the road last night, not too late. Yeah, not too late. I was on the road not for too late, but it was very disappointing being on the road and nothing ever gone really. Yeah, the road was kind of quiet last night. I guess I came out too early and I went home too early also. Because there's Jamaicans now. In place here, Jamaicans come out really late. Yeah. So anyhow, we're gonna see what's popping. Yeah, now I'm on the beach. Apparently people come there early in the morning to exercise. I can't see the sun not come up yet. The sun not up yet, peeps. Yeah. So now come to peeps, so that's where I'm going. Yeah. But definitely, people normally bleach out here straight until daylight.
Respond to that.
People normally out here straight until daylight, tips. Daylight for people leave. Because in Jamaica, party keep till daylight. Daylight. A lot of these vendors only work at nights. They work only at nights. Yes, tips. As I say, it's a boy only 577 out here without fear. So, yeah. Click that subscription button. Subscribe. Yeah, support the channel. We're out here showing real life in Jamaica. It is Jamaican life. So, yeah. I think we have, I wouldn't say we have a little bit too much of Montego Bay. But we soon change Montego Bay and head elsewhere. So you will see that. Yeah. Very soon we'll be going other places and seeing other faces. Yeah. See? Jerk man, I'm still out in the early morning. So a lot of them come with their vehicle and they sell from their vehicle also. So them say liquor or alcohol. In Jamaica we say liquor. It's alcohol. But in Jamaica we say liquor. Liquor. They sell alcohol and food. Jerk chicken and jerk pork and all of that. And you can get breakfast there in the early morning. And for the Jamaican, you go hear music play too. Yeah. You are gonna hear music playing. As I say, them people at the beach last night straight till this morning. Nobody not go home. But his team now go home, as I say in Jamaica. Yeah. And it's early morning, as we say, people, sun not come up yet. Sun not come up yet, peeps. But look like people still there at the beach. Somebody over there, so beach. People love go to the beach early. Yeah. As I said, one time this used to be buzzing right here. Aquasal Beach used to be buzzing. And this used to be a golf course, like it's go-karts. Yeah. Go-kart. Yeah. But not anymore. Not anymore. Not anymore. Hope somebody take it up soon and they fix it up. Cause it used to go on good one time. Once it used to go very good.
Greatness.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, I running on slippers. That's, you gotta be skilled because that's more pressure into running on slippers. That's definitely more pressure to run in your slippers. I say road clean peeps because I block off the road. Because they are having an event here in the morning here. Yeah. So they block it off.
No, I couldn't get you go.
They block it off completely. What is this one doing? No, ask me what he's saying. Only him alone know what he must say. Yeah. This is the history piece. And it seems to have a copyright music playing. That's a YouTuber nightmare music to play. To be playing at an event when you're going there to record. Oh, you know, can't record music. Yeah. You gotta cut out that part. Mute it or play music over it, so when you're editing it, it'll be more trouble. Some people, YouTubers avoid music, copyright music completely, because they don't want the work of dealing with it. Yeah, like, you know, like seriously? Like seriously? Why is he coming so hard?
That's why we need to put in some come on. Danny!
Like you go out in already, did it? Yeah. And the Jim Street show, because before I see it, they them put up around the same area. So, oh, you really, oh,
There's people at the beach. People at the beach early, man. Yes, some people gonna get some on the beach early. Yeah, there's no passing for him. Yeah, police there. Gonna have to turn back. So when you peep stick and stay, I guess we'll go on that early morning. Yeah. Yeah, see we'll go on in the early morning, peeps.
to the front.
Mm-hmm.
So the entrance is that little, where you guys, for those who walk this way, we're going to the front that way, we're gonna start. So the route, for those who don't know, we're going to the stoplight at Mega Mart. You're gonna see markers along the road. The stoplight at Mega Mart, we're gonna make a turn and then we're heading back.
So they're having a 5K tips. Good morning. How do I have over here? Okay. Some people friendly, some people not so friendly, not so friendly, not friendly. I already know what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have a 5K as I said before. Yeah. So yes, peeps, this is Montego Bay. I'm going to say son of a close to going over here, so. This is Montego Bay. Yeah. And the water is very beautiful here. This water looks like a deep frag or something. They're having a 5K run. So let's circle the place, peeps. Let's circle the place, circle the place, circle the place, circle the place, circle the place. So they block off the road, police and block off the road. Yes. They block off the road. They block off the road. So this morning the hit strip is very clean. As I said, they're having a 5K, peeps. They're having a 5K run. I thought it would be bigger than that, like more people. I don't see a whole lot of people. I don't see a whole lot of people. onto the road now. We're heading onto the road. No, no, no. So let's see what's happening on the road, peeps. Other people at the beach early also. So this is the 8th Strip, peeps, and it's early Sunday morning. And it's a vibe out here with your boy Holy Fire 777. So apparently they're gonna have some farmer relay now. So let's see the relay. Yes, they're finished with the 5K, so they're going to have a relay onto Harmony Beach. Yeah.
No, this is the winning button. And then there is plastic.
So they're gonna start the relay.
Sorry, don't put your video on.
Oh, only in Jamaica. The lady's practically walking with her breast hanging out. Telling me not to put my video on her. That's just crazy. Exactly, take time because a drop on this road, nothing nice. Neymar. So they're running to Harmony Beach to give somebody else it, and then they're gonna meet them back here. So let's see how fast they are. How soon they will get here. This looks like some fiber wire. One of the telecommunications. It's like slow internet. Yeah. So we're out here, peeps, and it's a boy Holy Fire 777. If it's your first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, Holy Fire. Love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, that is it. That is it, peeps. Out here, it's a little bit of vibe in the morning here. Yeah. It's a little bit of vibe. It's like they're cutting up the fiber wire or whatever. You know how that works. So let's go across. So ladies want to come back. Let's catch them on the way coming back up. So they're running to Harmony Beach. Oh, so they're cutting it up the wire. So let's go, peeps. We're not gonna stay and head on home now. We'll see what I go on the road same way. Let's just see what's happening on the road here.
Supervisor. Some people on yam for a man in a yam lollipop.
Jamaicans.
Take time with
Take time with you, man. The ambulance is here.
So some of them just coming back from the 5K. You know, some people can't manage it really. Kind of tough on them, especially if they are overweight. None of these ladies and men are overweight. So yes, peeps, this is it. The sun come out now. Yeah. All right. Some of them are return here. So I guess this is some of the relay, one of the relay team. Yeah. Coming back. Yeah. Looks like a far. Just how many beaches in run go? I know. I didn't even realize that I can still run because it's not a far distance. It's right down there to the Harmony Beach. So I'm gonna give somebody there and then run back down there and come back up again. And police was monitoring the road. You know them, someone in Jamaican driver here in discipline. Yeah, I could have easily do it, peeps. One day I'm gonna try them 5K run here. So Sophie get a good distance. And you know, Lily behind her look like she'll pass her. Run, Sophie, run. Sophie slow, man. Sophie get a long lead, but she not gonna do good. Run, Sophie, run. Sophie. Oh boy. I think Sophie not gonna do good, but Sophie look good guy lady bear and not here. She just run from right there, so and she tired already. Oh gosh. Yeah, that big boy up on the bicycle, I'm fair run. So I'm big. But there's a lot of police on the road, you know. Just to make sure no vehicle not driving here, because the driver them. Some of them very indisciplined, as I say, in Jamaica here. So this is early Sunday morning. Let's wake up early, right? 2 more ladies, 3 more ladies coming. Yeah. Sophie gone a long time. Can't catch up Sophie. They will more catch up this lady in front. Yeah, she will more catch up the lady in front. Yeah, they want to catch the lady there in front. Good. What I realized, a lot of people very unfit. They're not fit because they run short distance and then they're extremely tired. Yeah. So yes, peeps, we're on the road, so the eagle them a pack up to go home now. Eaglers are packing up to go home. There's have some Jamaicans like that, peeps. But peeps, I'm gonna start exercising too and get fit, so I can actually get fit too. Not true? Yeah, I'm start exercising so I can get fit also. Yeah. Alright. Money I run up come back. No. Run down there, someone. Why you run up here, so? Yeah. Actually look like him have like a speed. Yeah. Yeah, him seem fit. Him seem very fit. Because him is like right there. Almost just barely going that fast. So I see these last runners, then definitely have better speed. They have more stamina in their body. Yeah. Oh, schoolers have more like a stamina. I guess the adults are just working and exercising like myself. From when I say I'm gonna start exercise, I'll know. You're never there. Oh God. Oh God. I get it's pretty tough on them. It's pretty tough on them, peeps. Yeah. There's some people like they just finished a 5K and they actually walking back. Yeah, because that's a lot of people are not fit to run. They are just not fit. So let me whip out my shades because the sun is getting hot. So let me whip out my shades. Yeah. Feel more comfortable. And the sun come out in my shades. Another beach, this is the Armani Beach. Public beach. Armani Beach. Armani Beach and Park. Yeah. I see a lot of people just coming back. So I guess the run come out here so at the stoplight, but not sure. Oh, people almost dropped down. Oh gosh, they are beat out. Oh, okay. Yes, Juliet, come on. Oh, so they're just running come right out here, so peeps. And they're like so tired already. And I'm like, so tired already, can I do that? Of course I could do that. I used to run back then, but I'm not that fit, but I definitely could manage this. It's not far. And this is a girl running here. Like, you know, she's running to the shop. But at least she's doing better than me. It really seem like, you know, I have like a stamina too. And no one of us go with speed either because, you know, nobody not catching back. Definitely not. Definitely not nobody catching him back. Okay. I didn't see nobody I come it. Nobody coming as yet. I see, oh, so the ambulance have to come for that lady. Apparently she can't manage. Yeah, she almost fainted. Some people can't run her early morning now. She's like down. So they're gonna look at her. And I guess some more people down here so too. Some more people down here so can't manage. So the ambulance here for them. I guess he's gonna take up that lady there. This lady, I can't do it. Oh God. Oh gosh. You see? If you're doing something like this, you have to be practicing. You can't just get up and do it.
Come on, baby girl. Go. Bring it on. Don't stop. Bring it on.
And I guess that's it, peeps, for the Sunday morning here. Police them out here doing their work, blocking the road to make sure say body no pass. Yeah, so that's it, peeps, for the Sunday morning here. I am heading back home now. I am heading back home because the sun will come out and I'm not eating breakfast yet. Yeah, no breakfast as yet, so we are gonna head home back. Yeah, so this is somewhere I'm going to say West Bay. It's still unready, let me cross. And the light unready across the road. So yes, peeps, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire, love what you do and do what you love, and do it to your best ability. Yeah, so until next video, big up on yourself. Peace out. Okay.